Well, we're getting the pieces together on this old thing. The engine is on the bench in there. It's been worked over with new seals and piston and rings, of course. We found a set of meters for it the other day. I already had an ignition, but I got to get a key made for it. It's got the number on it. I just ordered and put in the there's a special nut that goes with those rear fenders, and I had to order a couple of those. Got those. I've had that tail light for some time. It didn't come with the bike. Nothing came with the bike. I've been putting it together. So little by little we're getting there. I got a set of turn signals in there in that yellow top box. And the front fender is good. It's on. The rear fender is good. It's on. I think the shocks will clean up. They'll need a little bit of de-rusting. It's got an air box. Got an engine with all the attachments to it. The seat needs to be recovered. I got 2 gas tanks. This one down here is the one I think that goes with it. And it's got a big dent in it. So that'll need to work. This one up here, I'm not sure. I think one of these is a 74 and one is a 75. I think the bike is a 75. I'm pretty sure it is. I didn't have a headlight for it. They're impossible to find. But that one's off of a CT, I don't know, 2 or 3. One or the other. And I got the insides for it there, and the bulb is blown out. So I'll go rewatch Dale Swigger's where he put an LCD or an LED bulb in one just like this. It's got a metal outer, so you can cut this out of here and then put in an LED bulb in there. I've already got the bulb. It's 6 volt. I'm going to experiment with that a little bit. I think if you rectify the voltage coming out of the stator, I think it might work a lot better on the bulb. We'll see. These bulbs say they're AC or DC though. So, it's coming slowly, like me. Well, folks, that was a short one. I just got a part or two in that I wanted to put on that bike. So I decided today was a good day to do it. And I went out and did that and a couple other things. And I found out that the main wiring harness I got is not the right one. It's for a DT250 and not for this 175. And so I found one on eBay that should be right. It says it fits a DT100 or a DT175, so it looked like it had all the right connectors on it and was in decent shape, so I offered him $45 for it. We'll see if he takes it. He was asking 50 is all. So I hope he takes it, and then I'll get back to work on this thing.